Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering on the Skyworth TV and putting fresh batteries into the universal remote so signals are strong. Once done, position yourself 3-6 feet from the screen and make sure there are no obstructions. Now find the remote's TV code list or note the auto search button. This determines how the remote maps to your TV. Begin immediately with the remote in hand. By preparing these elements, you avoid repeated retries and speed up the programming step. You will now program the remote either by entering a code or using auto search. If you have a code, press and hold setup until the LED stays solid, enter the code, and wait for the confirmation blink. Then test volume or power. If you don't have a code, use auto search. Hold setup until LED blinks, then press power repeatedly to cycle codes until the TV responds. Make sure to stop when the TV reacts, then press setup to save. This prevents overshooting the correct code. Finish by saving the discovered code and testing key functions: power, volume, input, and channel. If some buttons don't work, try the next code from the list or replace batteries. Weak power often causes partial responses. If nothing works, reset the remote by holding setup for about 10 seconds, then repeat the auto search. This clears bad states. One troubleshooting tip: confirm infrared line of sight and remove ambient IR.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.